Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I've got Chevrolet Orlando 2011 and I'm going to change oxygen sensor. Some of you have got problem with the jerky movement of your car, or sometimes it's trouble starting, and also you can see like engine light is on, also like fuel efficiency is not good as well. So the problem is the oxygen sensor. You can use Opcom to diagnose it. This is the oxygen sensor, which looks like a plug, and it has got a black wires which goes into the electrical connectors. Sometimes they are blue, sometimes they are black, it depends. So removing these, or first things first, you need to have a special tools for these. You can pick up the special tools from eBay. It cost about £7, but if you don't want to wait and you just want to get on with your work, then you can just go to Maplin or Halford. They do sell for £20. Removing the sensor is easy. The first things, you need to disconnect the electrical connector with the flatbed screwdriver, and make sure that your engine is completely cold, otherwise you are going to burn your hands. And then you need to unscrew the sensor by using the special tools about 30-degree anti-clockwise, and then just use your hands. You may find this sensor, they come with the plastic. Sometimes they need to lubricate them, but I haven't done mine. I mean, from the instruction it didn't say that to lubricate, but I've seen on the website that you need to do that. Right. Installing also, it's not difficult. Make sure you are not tightening the sensor, just clockwise 30-degree turns, that's all. You don't need to tighten it. And then after that, you'll need to connect your electrical connector. Once you have done that, and you can start your car and check for any trouble code. What you want to do is first to wipe up all the trouble code and then run diagnosis again. You might find that your fuel efficiency or MPG hasn't changed, but because you have just changed the sensor, you need to run it about maybe 10 to 20 miles and everything will be okay. So if you feel this video helps, please share and subscribe. And if you've got any question, just put on the comment box. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.